Good day, guys. Yeah, we are here in Albura Marina, and there are many people on that side. Yeah, in the children's playground, and lots of people here just relaxing. I always say relaxing. My van is at the back of that other van. I saw two guys, they get out from that van and they go for fishing. I don't know where they are now. Maybe on that side. The temperature is just right today. Not very cold, not hot. What is this? National Road Safety Week 2023. Drives so others survives. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. Actually 2:15 when I sign out. Look at those small fish. They are very synchronized. Amazing. It is high tide at the moment. It is noticeably higher than the normal one, than the usual. On the other side, yeah, there are many people. They are walking around there, and some of them are fishing actually. I mean, mostly they are fishing, and that's it. That's it. I am going home now. Yeah, I'm going to show you the things that I bought yesterday. It is already 4:25, and it is so good to get inside without the boxes, without the mess. Yeah, though there are still some of this. Oh, the water. Oh no. So basically this was here to water these plants. I usually leave it here like that, but it was hit by my backpack. Yeah, with my apron. And yeah, these are the things that I bought yesterday. Of course, this box, this is just $10, 60 liters. And then this is tube. And this, and I also bought these bottles. Oh, before doing this, I will prepare my meal first. I still have this roasted chicken, and I'm going to roast it again. Now reheating the rice, and we'll continue this. So this is my rice cooker, my kettle, and my set of pot and pan. This for camping. Yeah, set up pan also. My spoon, ladle, gas, stove, and this will be here. With that, I will be able to close it. It is going to be a never-ending buying of things for camping, for the car. Yeah, before when I don't have a car, my money only goes to vlogging, buying camera accessories. But now I buy things for the car, accessories for the cars, accessories for camping, things like that. And it costs a lot of money, really, especially for me that I am doing a campervan. Actually, my campervan is almost it's ready to use, and I think I will stop doing my campervan. I will leave it as it is, because it is already livable, usable, and I will start to save money for my future. But I actually still need to buy a fridge, but yeah, in the future, not these days. I know some people, they just buy car and that's it. They don't buy any accessories or anything, just the car, and then the regular petrol, gas, and that's it. Yeah, my camera is broken already, but I just put a little tape. The time now is 9, no, 6:45, and we are going for a road trip. That driver of that Mazda is not a good girl. Yeah, she threw those that cigarette butt. No good. Yeah, at the moment we are here in oh, I forgot the name. No, it's not Moni, but it's Hawkesbury River rest area. Yeah, I just stopped by here because I went to pee. We are now here in IKEA. Yeah, and it's a very big place. I mean, all the Australian popular brands is actually here in this area. The name of the town or city is Marsden. Yeah, one of the suburbs of Sydney. Yeah, there is the Plus Fitness, God Praise, BCF, JB Hi-Fi, Bingley, Nicaskali, and Anaconda on that side. I've been to IKEA several times, but only in Dubai. Yeah, in Festival City. And I never been to any other IKEA. Look at that, the hot dog is just $2. Hot dog in a bun, veggie dog. Yeah, the same like in Dubai. Food are cheap inside the IKEA. And I got this one. No, just now I realized when I see it in person, I feel that this is expensive. But it's okay. The meatballs is nice, very soft. Yeah, I like it. And do you know that the biggest IKEA is in the Philippines? Yeah. And I'm going inside the Anaconda. I'm going to look for hiking shoes, the cheap one. If they have, I'm going to buy it. Also something for camping, I'm not sure. They are actually expensive. Yeah, $223. The shoes, they are expensive, over $170. Those hiking shoes. I saw a cheap one before in Anaconda in Bennett's Green, but it was not on my budget that time. And we reached this place. This is on top of the mountain, and yeah, the name of the place is Yilomondi Regional Park. And looks like from here you can see the whole city of Sydney. I mean, at least the suburbs. Yeah, I'm not sure if that area is the city. There's some tall building over there, or maybe that one on the farther side. I can also see a lot of buildings because mostly here are forests. Okay, that's it in this area. We're going to continue driving. And we reached this place. The name of the place is Hazelbrook, and they have this grocery, the Food Works, and I'm going to buy one of this bok choy. Yeah, this is just $2.19, cheaper than Woolworths than Coles. If you remember, in Coles, in Woolworths it's $2.50. But the thing is, they don't have here the cheap tuna, the 90 cents tuna. Yeah, they have just this kind of brand, which is $2.78. So I'm going to get this one instead. Sardines in tomato sauce. This is just $1.62. Yeah, this is the cheapest. I'm also getting one of this. This is just $2.40. This time we are here in Wentworth Falls Town Center. Yeah, we are again looking for another grocery. And there is actually a train station on that side. If you're going to Sydney, there is one of the train station to go there. I did not mention yet, but this area is actually part of the Greater Blue Mountain. This is a 2 hours drive from Sydney. Yeah, the highway, the main road is always noisy. Very noisy here, especially with the trucks. And we are now here. Yeah, it is impossible. Look at that, there is a deep water on that side. Okay, we are going back. Even if I have the Suzuki Jimny, I will not go through that. Yeah, dangerous. Okay, we're going back to, I saw another camping ground, so we are going back there. This one is going to Old Port Reserve. And we arrived here in this camping ground. Yeah, the name is Glen Rock Reserve. And I was actually here before with my Suzuki Jimny, but I was on the other side. And I didn't even check this area before. I was just on the other side. So at the moment there is a couple there with their rope tent on their car. And also another car on that side also with rope tent. And another one there with the dog. Yeah, and it's actually raining this time. And I am supposed to cook there, but it's wet. So I am probably going to cook here. Yeah, I have this butane gas. I actually have my bike with me. Let's open the light. Yeah, I have my bike here. Yeah, because I was planning to bike around. But now it is raining. Hopefully tomorrow no rain. And I am really craving for rice, but it is raining and I am lazy to cook. I actually have rice in my backpack, the one that I cooked last night. So maybe I'm just going to eat this and this tuna. I actually drive to Woolworths. It was another 5 kilometers just to buy this and some other things. And donut, I also bought a donut. Also this kind of cooler. Yeah, this. Just going to eat it with rice, normal, not cook. But my spoon is under here. And I have my bike here. Yeah, now it's difficult to move because of this bike. If I put the bike outside, the wheel is going to be dirty with soil. Or maybe I should remove the front wheel so that it will become smaller. It's starting to be dark outside. And I have this. Oh, just now I realized that I don't have plate. Yeah, so I'm going to eat it here. And you know, this one is already broken. Yeah, there is a leakage already. So maybe in the coming days I'm going to buy a new one.